Howdy howdy, and welcome to Alien Vendetta, Map 4, Seclusion. And we are pistol starting on Ultraviolence, but they give you a chain gun right by the start over here. We're going to use it to take out these imps and catch a fireball in the process. And then we're going to go get our first secret, which is the super shotgun. And then we're gonna get rid of all these imps and the zombie men in here. And then we're gonna flip this switch and ride the elevator up. And then we're gonna go get this mega armor. Get rid of the shotgunners. And the pistol zombies. And a couple more. Good lord, there's so many of them. I forgot there was 4 right there. Alright, now we're gonna get rid of the specters. And then I'm gonna go get some of this health. And then we're gonna get rid of this Cacodemon. Whoa! Forgot I took that partial invisibility. And then we're gonna go get our second secret, which is a Berserk Pack, another Mega Armor, and a Supercharge, which I will definitely take. Alright, and now we're going to go down these steps. Get rid of the imps. And then we're going to shoot off all the hit scanners. So might as well finish the imps. And then we're going to go into this door. We're gonna trigger the monsters, and then we're gonna get out of there. It's gonna be a Baron. We have a spooky skeleton boy. Most of them, we just got some imps to deal with. Oh, and a pinky. Punch him. Wow. This is a really good mini. Good lord. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go get this mega armor. Right back out. Why? Okay. I was trying to get into that cubby, but wasn't back far enough, I guess. I think that's everything. Alright, now we're gonna go into here. Good lord, he blasted you. Okay, that's everything. And before we continue, we are gonna go in here. Oops. Hit the to grab that. Oh well, I'll get it on my way back through. There we go. And then I'm going to use the chain gun. And there's going to be a bunch of chain gunners all around us. We're going to let them shoot each other. They should all be pretty weak now. Indeed they were. Alright. Now let's move on. In here. Why do I keep fighting these things with partial invisibility? That's such a dumb idea. It's dodging them so much harder. Alright. Into here, flip the switch. Deal with a whole bunch of imps. Alrighty. I'm gonna go back and grab these shells and this health. Alright, now it should be good. Get rid of him. Really? Okay, now we're gonna go down. Get rid of that cacodemon. We're gonna go outside and we're gonna drop down here. Get rid of some pigs. And then collect the fourth and final secret. I'm pretty sure there's more. Okay, now we're gonna have an archvile to deal with. Really? What is going on? Okay, I was like, where are my rockets going right now? Woo, that was close. Okay. Oh, we gotta flip the switch, which will create a bridge. I'm gonna go into here. Gonna get rid of all those, and then head back out, and we're gonna go to the exit, which is going to be a crazy fight, probably the craziest fight of the level, and probably the ride so far. Damn. There we go, we got him. And I believe that's the end. Nice. That was a fun map. That was kind of intense for a map 4. Almost 300 enemies in that map, I think. 250 at least, I think. It was like 248. And we got it in 10 minutes. I'll take that for all the kills and all the secrets. First time through. Not bad. That was a fun map, actually. I can already tell. Alien Vendetta is already ramping up the difficulty, and I am enjoying it. I feel like pretty soon it's going to start getting, like, ridiculously difficult. I'm here for it, though. Ready to see what it's got. So, that was a fun map. Next up is, Crimson Tide.